Active transport. Occasionally, substances need to be absorbed against a concentration gradient, for example, from a lower to a higher concentration. This process is referred to as active transport. As you saw when we covered cell differentiation and specialization, the cells on plant roots grow into hairs, which then stick out into the soil. Each branch of a root will be covered in millions of these microscopic hairs. This gives plants a large surface area for absorbing water and mineral ions from the soil. For healthy growth, plants need these mineral ions. The concentration of minerals is usually higher in the root hair cells than in the soil around them, so the roots won't be able to use diffusion to take up the minerals from the soil. Root hairs take in minerals using active transport. Minerals should move out of the root hairs if they follow the rules of diffusion. The cells must use another method to draw them in. The method is active transport. Active transport allows the plant to absorb minerals from a very dilute solution against a concentration gradient. This is very important to promote growth, but active transport needs energy from respiration to make it work. Active transport also happens in humans, like taking glucose from the gut and from the kidney tubules. Active transport is used in the gut, where there is a lower concentration of nutrients in the gut, but a higher concentration of those nutrients in the blood. When there is a higher concentration of glucose and amino acids in the gut, they diffuse naturally into the blood. In some instances, there is a lower concentration of nutrients in the gut than there is in the blood, so this will mean that the concentration gradient is the wrong way round. The same process that is used in plant roots is used here, and that is active transport. It allows nutrients to be taken into the blood, despite the fact the concentration gradient is the wrong way round. It means that glucose can be taken into the bloodstream when its concentration in the blood is already higher than the gut. It can then be transported to cells, where it will be used for respiration.